Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker to your Windows Dell laptop. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to connect their Bose SoundLink Flex speaker to their Windows Dell laptop. How do you actually go ahead and connect it? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is that we're going to go onto our Dell laptop and then click on the navigation button on the bottom left-hand corner. And then click on settings. So settings is right over here. Next, you want to navigate to where it says devices. So click on devices and then click on add Bluetooth or other device. So from here, you want to click on Bluetooth again, and then now it'll look for nearby Bluetooth devices. So on your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker, you want to go ahead and turn it on. And then once it's turned on, you want to press and hold the Bluetooth icon right over here. So once you click on this, you'll see that it starts to blink blue. So right now your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker should be in pairing mode, and that's indicated by it blinking blue. So what we'll do is that we'll try to find our Bose SoundLink Flex speaker in this list of devices. And so here it is. We now have our Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. So if we click on it, it's now connecting to our Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. So as you can see, the light is now a solid white, which indicates that it's connected to our laptop. You'll also see a notification on your Dell Windows laptop that your device is ready to go. But that is essentially how to connect your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker to your Windows Dell laptop. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker to your Windows Dell laptop. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.